The Mexican Geological Survey presents Environmental Geology. In recent years, there has been a growing concern about environmental conservation and the impact of natural phenomena. That is why the Mexican Geological Survey is committed to providing authorities with valuable and effective information from different environmental studies to protect our planet and rationally use its natural resources. The SGM carries out studies that help manage, prevent, mitigate, and restore damages to the environment, and to evaluate phenomena affecting the population through environmental impact studies and in natural protected areas. In addition, land use studies and territorial organization are products of research by SGM professionals. These are ideal instruments for determining the orderly and sustained growth of different productive sectors in Mexico with information that has a scientific foundation, thanks to our experts in new technologies based on the current environmental laws for minimizing damages to the environment and maintaining an ecological territorial order. Other major national concerns are the risks and hazards caused by the incidence of natural and human phenomena. The Mexican Geological Survey evaluates them to create risks and hazards atlases of natural phenomena. These help to identify vulnerable areas for the population, making the atlases a valuable instrument for authorities to implement preventative measures with citizenry and industries amid different threats, such as floods, social uprisings, volcanic eruptions, heavy rain, tectonic plate shifts, and environmental impacts. We also have geotechnics experts who carry out studies on soil mechanics and their natural movements. They evaluate the geological damages when seismic activity is greater. Hydrogeology. With the goal of offering solutions to Mexico's water problems, the Mexican Geological Survey is developing a series of hydrogeological studies that allow water authorities and different productive sectors of the country to establish a series of guidelines and strategies for efficient water use, particularly on the quantity, quality, and availability of water underground. Hydrogeological studies are principally carried out to update knowledge on aquifer systems, from which about 40% of the water that Mexico uses is extracted. The Mexican Geological Survey is undertaking a series of hydrogeological studies focused mainly on seeking alternative water supply sources, mathematic models of hydrodynamic simulation, marine intrusion studies, design of piezometric and water quality monitoring networks, annual average availability of underground water, technical justification studies to determine restricted areas, characterization of hydrogeochemistry and water quality, instrumentation of aquifers, analysis of the geochemical details of underground water with the support of defining mining exploration targets, among others. The hydrogeological studies are supported through fieldwork, and the use of specialized tools adds more reliability to their conclusions and recommendations. This is the case of integrating diverse geophysical methods, such as land and aerial, design of geographic information systems, the use of satellite imagery, and diverse equipment and software designed exclusively for hydrogeological purposes. With the development of new techniques and tools applied to geohydrologic studies, in addition to constant staff refresher courses and the acquisition of specialized equipment, there is the ability to perform specialized projects in resolving water-related problems. The research and studies in environmental geology and hydrology being undertaken at the Mexican Geological Survey have helped transform Mexico as a prosperous nation that is responsible for its natural resources. If you would like more information on our environmental geology and geohydrology services, check our website www.sgm.gob.mx or visit our offices, where geology is at the service of Mexico. The Mexican Geological Survey. Geology for the service of Mexico. General Coordinating Office of Mining. Ministry of Economy. Federal Government.